goes my son Christian. He'll be my model for today. We're going to be doing Snazaroo paint as the black, the white, and the yellow. Okay, we're going to be doing the bat face. The character that's a bat has a face and it's a man. Put those together. Christian's in the goofy mode. See, I have two different sponges. I have this white sponge, it's very firm, and I have this sponge, it's kind of softer. It holds more paint than the other firm sponge. It comes as a circle. I cut them in half and create more. I have my handy dandy spray bottle. And also 2 line brushes and 1 medium brush again. So now I'm going to start with this 9-dot process. I place 4 dots at the top of the head, 1 on the nose, 1 on each cheek, and 1 like the jawline. So it's 5 at the bottom of the face and 4 at the top. Okay? Then you're just going to start connecting those dots. You're gonna make it into the shape of the bat face. That's a man and character. Okay, so you see what we have going right there. You guys can see that, I hope. I start from the nose and I go to the next dot. And by placing those dots, it's gonna help your painting be more even. It's gonna look even. It's gonna be easier to make it even because you're using those dots. It's just for the beginners, you know. Usually I just go without using dots, but what my YouTube videos are gonna do is gonna make things more simple for you guys and for you beginners who struggle. It's gonna make it real easy for you. I guarantee it. And share this video if you're benefiting from it. Now that I have the outline done, I'm gonna color inside those lines with a medium brush. So you usually only need 1 liner brush and a medium brush and 1 sponge for this bat face that's a man and a character. But as you can see, I'm just going around the outline, filling it in with that medium brush. And around the eyes, I'm going to use a sponge. Okay. So as I fill that in, see he's kind of jittery and feeling goofy and laughing. Snazaroo paint is hypoallergenic. Okay, it's non-toxic and fragrance-free, so it is friendly to the most delicate skin. So when people say they have sensitive skin, you tell them this face paint is made for sensitive skin. You know, but I'm using the sponge. When you use the sponge, you tell the customer to close their eyes, and you kind of give them an example of how to close their eyes. Sometimes they close them too tight, and if they do that, when they open their eyes, you're going to see a lot of white creases and look like a maze of areas that you couldn't get because the eyes was closed so tight. But you want to just, you know, like you're taking a nap, close them softly. And depending on the age of the child, I usually don't paint around the eyes. I kind of leave a circle, as you can see in one of my other videos. So on this left side, which is Christian's right side, I'm going to use, I believe, the yellow. Just going to outline around that whole left side, which is Christian's right side. if I only needed one color, I would use one brush, but that's the why I'm using the two liner brushes, because I'm gonna show you how it look with one side yellow and then the other side white. See which one you guys would rather use. And with these colors, this black, the white, the yellow, they all come in the starter kits. So if you guys just have a starter kit, this will be perfect for you. I believe they have like a palette for like $70 or $80. I know at Michael's, if you get those coupons, you guys, you might want to use that 40% off and buy that palette if you're just starting off, you know. And that's the white going around the outline. Now when I get to this nose again, it's gonna start saying it tipples and moving a little bit. But it's just real quick. Like, I'm not trying to make it perfect for you guys. I'm just giving you guys an idea of what you can do and what could be easy for you. I was actually laughing too in my head. I tried to stay professional. And don't be afraid to use the hand. Use your hand to guide their head. Turn them when you need to turn them, or a lot of times kids, man, they hear a noise or something, hear someone talking, they want to open their eyes and look, see what's going on. You have to tell them, hey, everybody's watching you. You know, just get your face painted and you can see them afterwards. You're the main attraction right now. Everybody want to see what you're getting. You guys see how the dots work to help make those lines even?